In this video, I will show you how to install MX Player to your smart TV without Play Store. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So on your smart TV, if you happen not to have Play Store App Store on your smart TV, but you want to get the MX Player application so you can watch your videos and movies, this is what you should do. You come over to this app called Downloader. This is an app that allows you to install applications, documents, and media from across the web. So if you don't have this application on your smart TV, in the description of this video, there is a link that's going to show you how to install this application on your smart TV. So once you watch the video, follow the steps to download MX Player. So after you launch the application, this is what is going to happen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So once you get into the application, you're going to get a box that asks you to put in the keyword or the link you want to search. So here's the box I'm referring to. So what we have to do there is just to type in MX Player. So just follow me as I type in MX Player. MX so Player. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Alright, that's it. So once you type in MX Player, we're going to click on Go for the download application to search for it for us. So once you click on Go, this is what is going to happen. So it's going to search across the web for sources where we can install the MX Player application to your smart TV. So once you search, see these are already various options, and I always recommend you can go for the one that has the right logo. So this is the one that has the right logo. You just have to click on it, and it's going to lead you to where you can install the MX Player. So click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you here and it's Google Play Store, and all you have to do is to install MX Player, and that is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.